Hi, today we're going to elaborate the recipe to make a better Colombia culture. First step, bring together many people with the desire to improve the culture. Next, we will use the container of indigenous traditions molded by the culture diverse, like Embera, Llanero, Guayú, Tiguna, Criollos, and others. Then we add 3 glasses of respect, identity bar, a little of empathy and solidarity, and cold butter of history. And to finish, some self-love.
Later, we mix with a layer of wood, which protects the country's patrimony. We introduce the base inside of a wood oven, so it is built by labor of Colombian crafts. We wait 30 minutes to blend on the flames of recognition. While it is hot, you can know the Colombian folklore. Finally, we can serve the reserve and let rest outdoor, where Andean condors protect their mountain range.
To accompany, you can serve a glass of cold masato with a pan de bono made by the farmers. Bear in mind that you must not allow it to be monopolized for the purpose of a lucrative benefit, not are pieces of forgetfulness or abuse of power. See you in the next recipe to improve cultural heritage. Bye bye.
Su suelo es una oración y es